down at one of my favourite places in Tasmania. Just down the road there, you can actually hear the ocean crashing. That's Sandy Cape, Tasmania Sandy Cape on the west coast. Absolutely beautiful, stunning bit of coastline down the west coast. It really showcases the wild west of Tasmania, if you ask me. We're camped here at a little campsite that's just before the beach. Now, the good thing about this one, it's out of the wind. You've got basic facilities, and the price, well, you better sit down when I tell you. It's $3 per person per night, so it's practically free camping right on the beach in Western Tasmania. Now, if you come with me, I'm going to show you the 12-volt setup in the back of the 80 series here. One of the things you need to know about this one is it's Australian made, and the quality, well, it's A-class. Come and check this out. This right here is the heart of my setup. It's REDARC Manager 30. Now what it essentially does is it takes 30 amps of alternator charge and puts that straight into my batteries in a really smart way that keeps my batteries in tip-top health, no matter what they are. I could have lithiums, I could have AGMs, lead acid, it doesn't matter, because this one here understands exactly what I have and will cater to suit my whole setup. When you're in the market for a 12-volt setup, you can be mistaken for thinking they all look the same. Now, don't be fooled into thinking that, because this one is certainly not the same as all the rest. This is Australian made. It's also been extensively tested by REDARC's top engineers to withstand the toughest Australian off-road conditions. Now that's one of the main reasons I choose REDARC, because it keeps my 12-volt setup in tip-top condition.